Certainly, here are some expert tips for healthy aging and longevity. Bring healthy habits. Prioritize colorful fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins in your diet. Aim for good quality sleep. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to exercise and another 15 minutes to meditation or mindfulness. Challenge your brain by learning new things like a language or musical instrument. 1. Hearing health. Protect your hearing to maintain cognitive health. Limit exposure to loud sounds. Get your hearing checked regularly and seek help if needed. 1. Screen time and health. Instead of focusing on limits, consider activities that benefit your eyes, body, and mental health. Take breaks from screens and spend time outdoors. 1. Remember, small lifestyle changes can have lasting effects on your well-being.